Well, good morning, fishing fans. Burn Dog here. Got a bunch of rain last night, so a little bit too wet to do anything out in the yard. So I thought I'd start to get ready for my favorite time to go fishing, and that's when the water gets hard. We fish through the ice. Today's Saturday, October 6th, so we got some time to go, but like I said, it rained and I'm kind of bored. So what I'm attempting to do today is see if I can get all my stuff on one four-wheeler with no need to pull a sled behind. I do have a clam Kiono Pro quilted that I used last year that I pulled real nicely behind the four-wheeler, but I just want to see if I can do it without that and take a shanty and put everything on the four-wheeler. So what we got here is my Arctic Cat 700 EFI Ice Beast, and as you can kind of see, I've got it really loaded down, but I think I might have accomplished what I was set to do. On the front here, we got our 10-inch Jiffy ice auger. You can see I mounted a nice LED light on here this year to give us a little more light coming off the ice. Sometimes on Winnebago, we have those sturgeon holes that are 4 foot by 4 foot, and you hate to drive into one if it's not marked. So that'll give me a little more light on the ice. I got my Eskimo Quick Fish 3i. It's a quilted pop-up 3-man shanty. It's quite substantial, as you can see. It's every bit as wide as my four-wheeler is, and that's when it's in the bag. But when set up, it's a real nice unit. It's 6.5 feet tall inside and could easily fit 3 guys in there. On top of there, I've got a camp chair. I'm just bringing one if I'm going by myself, but I could probably get a few more on here stacked up if I was bringing some people with. I come around the side here, you can see I've got pretty substantial tackle bag. It should have enough room to keep all the tackle for jigging and tip-up fishing. Got a cooler over here that usually goes out full of beer and probably some lunch of some sort, and hopefully it comes back full of fish on the way back in. I got a bucket hanging on this side. Normally when we go out, we fill that with tip-ups and things. On the back, I've got Cuisinart gas grill, propane grill. I can grill with it right there on the rack if I want, or I can set it down on the ice. It does have legs that fold down. Used that quite a bit last year. We bring out steaks, pork chops, skirt steak, bratwurst, you name it, we can cook it. I've got 2 rod holder bags, or Rapala, really nice padded rod holder bags. The top one's got my light rods, the bottom one's got my medium heavy rods. I got about 10 rods in there all together. So plenty of rods for fishing for an extended period, day and night. Come around this side, I got my Heater Buddy propane heater, a couple extra bottles of propane. I got a snow shovel for moving snow around the base of the shanty if it's windy out and we want to kind of block some wind or whatever from coming underneath. Got a nice hand drill here. I use that for running ice screws into the ice. For if it is windy, sometimes the shanties don't want to lift or move. We can run ice screws in the ice real easy with that hand drill. Another bucket here for miscellaneous whatever we might need to put in there. I've got my Vexilar. Right now I don't have it bungeed down. I'd really rather have that in a basket, but right now I haven't figured out a way to get everything situated for that to work out. So I'll probably keep it there, at least for now. It would be nice having it there if I want to stop and check a depth through the ice. I can just pick it up and walk around and use it, and not having to take it out of a basket all the time. I also got my Humminbird 859i mounted here real nice. I got a Wisconsin Lake Mats chip, so that'll tell us using GPS when we're out on the lake where the humps are, and we can easily find the places that we want to target for fishing. So it looks like I've accomplished my task. It looks like I got just about everything on there I need. Last year I ran ice screws in the tires. They worked real good on the ice, but I kept spitting them out when I plowed the driveway, and then I'd have to go around finding them with a magnet, so I didn't pick them up in a car tire. So I think this year I'm going to go ahead and invest in some chains. I can use them for both plowing and for ice fishing. Well, that about does it. Hopefully we'll get some video out on the ice here in a few months. But till then, happy fishing and have a good day.